Hello and welcome to How to Play Piles. The game is played with 2 to 8 players. To play, you will need the Piles game. Thanks to Lost Boy Entertainment for providing the game used in this video. The deck is built based off the number of players in the game. Shuffle the cards to be used and deal each player 6 piles of 4 cards. These cards remain face down without being looked at until the game begins. The remaining 4 cards are dealt to the middle of the playing area. The object of the game is to get each of your piles to have 4 matching cards. Cards can be swapped from a pile with a card from the middle. A countdown from 3 will start the game, as players will play as fast as possible without taking turns. Players will flip up the middle cards. Then players will pick a pile to look at and make a swap with a middle card if wanted. When making a card swap, a card from a player's hand must be laid down in the middle before taking a card. Only 1 card can be swapped at a time. Players can move between piles in any order and as fast as wanted, but only 1 pile can be in hand at a time. Players continue to make moves as possible. Once a player's pile has 4 matching cards, the pile can be placed face up. The first player to match all their piles will yell "Piles" to win the game. For a more chaotic version, add 1 additional set of cards to the gameplay. Then deal 8 cards to the middle instead of 4. That wraps up How to Play Piles. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.